Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer photos or videos from Android to laptop or PC. So the first step, you simply need to attach your cable with your Android mobile. So once it is attached, you have this option available on the screen and you simply need to click on allow. And if you want that it will not ask again and again, you simply need to click on always allow from this computer. So I'm going to click on that, and then you need to click on allow. And now my Android mobile is connected with my laptop, and now I'm going to show you the next steps on the screen. Here you can see that my device, that is Galaxy A10. So you simply need to click on that, and I want to share file from my phone. So I'm going to select this one and need to copy this, and I want to paste onto the desktop, and now it is copying. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.